Fruits. Apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, watermelon, pineapples, strawberry,
lemon,
I like apples. Bananas are yellow. Grapes are small and round. Watermelon is big and green. Pineapple is sour and sweet. Lemons are sour. A mango is my favorite fruit.
1. Apples are sweet and healthy. 2. Bananas give us energy. 3. Mango is called the king of fruits. 4. Grapes can be green, red, or black. 5. Oranges are full of vitamin C.
One, the apple of someone's eye, meaning, a person who is loved very much. His daughter is the apple of his eye. 2. Go bananas, meaning, to become very excited or angry. The children went bananas when they saw the ice cream. 3. A plum job, meaning, a very good and desirable job. He got a plum job in the bank. 4. A peach of a, meaning, something or someone very good. She is a peach of a friend. 5. Sour grapes, meaning, pretending not to like something you can't have. He said he didn't want the job, but that was just sour grapes.